Today we'll discuss Kirchhoff laws. Most of the students feel difficulty in Kirchhoff laws. Okay? Kirchhoff laws. Kirchhoff proposed two laws. One it is a Kirchhoff junction law, which is also known as KCL, Kirchhoff currents law. And second one is Loops law, which is also known as KVL, Kirchhoff junction law, that is Kirchhoff currents law, and Loops law. What is the significance of this Kirchhoff laws? Where these Kirchhoff laws are used? First one we'll discuss in detail about junction law. Dear students, you know that junction means in road where the point of the road where the two or more roads are meet at one point, 3 roads or 4 roads, that we call a junction. Same way, the junction is here. This is the junction point. Then current I1. This is I2. This is I3. Okay. Next it is I4. This is I5. We can take another one is like now. Sign conventions, what we have to take for the junction law. The current which are entering into the junction, we should take positive sign. Children, you can see here, I1 is moving into the junction. I2 is moving away from the junction. Again, I3 is moving towards the junction. I4 is moving away from the junction. I5 is also moving towards the junction. Okay, if you apply sign conventions, that is plus I1 minus I2 plus I3 minus I4 plus I5 is equal to 0. So if you write this one, all positive currents one side, that is I1. Still, what is the positive current? I3 plus I5 is equal to minus I2 send this side plus I2 I4. Means the sum of the currents into the junction is equal to sum of the currents out of the junction. This is Kirchhoff junction law. Right. Next, second law we'll discuss, children. Second law, most of the children feel very difficult, but it is very easy if you concentrate on the sign conventions of Loops law. Okay, children, we'll discuss Loops law. Yes. According to Loops law, this is also known as KVL. The algebraic sum of voltages in any closed loop is equal to 0. Sigma V is equal to 0. Okay, here let us take a loop. This is a point as node B, C, D, E, F. Let it be the current I1. This is I2. This is I1 plus I2 together, and this is V1, V2, R1, R2, R3. This is a one circuit. Here, if we take the loop, first loop. How many loops are there, children? First we'll see the loop. A, C, D, B, A is the first loop. Next, second loop, E, F, D, C, E is the second loop. And third loop is E, F, B, A, E is the third loop. First loop will take E. First loop is A, C. What is the first loop? Loop A, C, D, B, A. A, C, D, B, A. Here, while we are taking sign conventions, current we are moving like this. The current is moving along with us, we have to take minus. The current which is opposite to us, we have to take a plus. So, what we have to take here? I2 minus, this here what is this? A plus only, because here we are opposite to that, that's I2 R2 plus, because we are moving like this and the current direction is opposite to us. When current direction is opposite how we are moving, then we have to take positive sign. In the same direction we have to take negative sign. So plus I2 R2, and for this EMF is here it is positive to negative, so minus V2. Next, come to here, plus what is this? Here you see, what about the current coming along with us, same direction. So we have to take minus, what we have to take? Minus I1 R1. So voltage here, negative terminal to positive terminal. So we have to take plus V1 is equal to 0. That is the first loop. And second loop is E, F, D, C, E. Loop E, F, D, C, E. Here you see current is coming along with us. So minus I1 plus I2 R3. Next R3. Next plus V2. Next minus I2 R2. It is coming along with us. Minus R. I2 R2 is equal to 0. Next, we'll go to the loop, total loop E, F, B, A, E. Loop E, F, D, A, E. Loop E, F, D, A, E. What is this, sir? We are coming along with us. Minus I1 plus I2 R3. Next, come to here. What about potential here? Negative to positive. So we have to take positive sign V1. Next, what about this current coming along with us? So we have to take minus. So minus I1 R1 is equal to 0. Children, it is Loops law. Very easy. You can solve many problems based on Kirchhoff's Loops law, which is also known as Kirchhoff voltage law. Bye children, see you.